What's up, Soul Squad? It's Jordan, and today we are back at it with another sneaker video. We are going to be taking a look at the Jordan 4 in the Tech Gray colorway. Before we get into the sneakers, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the recent support. We're only about 60 subs away from 400 now, and it would mean so much if we could hit 400 subs. Yeah, we got so much more content coming out soon, so if you guys want to stay tuned, make sure to drop a sub. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these shoes. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the history of the Air Jordan 4, the drop details, the quality of materials used, and whether or not you guys should go out and cop a pair yourself. So, before we get into the drop deals of today's Jordan 4, we should know a little about the history of the Jordan 4. So the Jordan 4 originally released in February of 1989 for a retail price of $110. It was the second shoe to showcase the air bubble that you can see, and it was the second shoe designed by Tinker Hatfield. It came in the white cement 4 colorway, which is absolutely an iconic sneaker to this day. Everyone loves that colorway. So now we can take a look at today's Jordan 4 Tech Gray. Right off the bat, just having it in my hand, it is definitely a shoe you want to see in person. The pictures are not going to do it justice. When I saw it online, it wasn't looking that amazing, but in person you could definitely tell the quality is there. The colorway looks so good. Now we're going to take a look at the Jordan 4 box it came in. As you guys can see, it came in a semi-gloss white with red Jordan Jumpman and Flight logo on the top. It is a pull-off lid. Nothing too crazy about the paper on the inside, and I'll give you guys a look at that size tag. So, nothing too crazy about the box. Now for the quality of materials, I want to bring in someone to give you more than my opinion. Cody's first time on camera, gotta give him some props, you know. He's coming in here a little stiff, you know. Just gotta loosen up, you know what I'm saying? He decided to bring a GS pair that he picked up because he has some views on the quality of this shoe. When he brought home the shoe, he set them out. I thought the quality was pretty good, you know. You got the tumbled leather going all around the shoe. You got it on the tongue, the uppers, the mid, and I thought it looked really, really good. He said there was a lot of problems with the GS sizing though. What
the grade school pair? Definitely not from far away, but up close you could definitely notice that the paint still a little dry paint scuff marks. I don't know if you could see that, but the right here is pretty bent, out of shape. As you can see on the back, it's pretty straight, but right here it's kind of bent. There's some marks on the back. So you guys can see. There's some marks on the back of the shoe. But yeah, just the paint, it looks like it's coming off a bit. The stitching's coming off in some places, but not bad, especially the men's size. The men's size is all right. But yeah, just a grade school pair. Had some flaws, but
so yeah, if you're looking to buy these and you're in a sneaker store, and if you're someone who cares a lot about the quality, definitely just ask to see the shoe first. A lot of sneaker stores don't mind that. They even let you try on the shoes. So in regards to the men's sizes, which do look a little better, what are your thoughts on those?
On the men's size, they do look pretty nice. I like the switch to this tumbled leather than we saw in the UNC4s when it was suede. I do like this material. It's much softer. I do like the sock liner also. It's pretty soft, especially on the tongue too. But overall, yeah, good pair. On the stitching, a little bit coming off, but it's all good overall.
Yeah, like I said, when he actually went out this morning to Undefeated and stuff.
Yeah, I went to Undefeated, and they actually had we were like 35 deep in line because we actually stopped at Nike Town first, but they didn't have the Oreo 4s. There was a lot of people waiting there. So we went back to Undefeated. We were pretty deep in the line, but they only had 12 pairs, so they ended up doing a raffle. We didn't win on those, but luckily we stopped by a Chic and a Shoe Palace, and that's how we copped our pairs. We got one men's size at Shoe Palace and a men's size and 2 grade schools at Chic, so they came through.
So yeah, definitely really dope. Definitely a pair of shoes that you have to see in person. The images online weren't really doing it justice. My final opinions on the sneaker, I think for a retail cop, definitely can't go wrong. It wasn't a shoe that sat. I don't think it was going to be a shoe that sat because there was a lot of talk about it in the sneaker community. I saw DJ Khaled wearing them. I saw Fat Joe wearing them already. There's a lot of hype behind the shoe already. These shoes actually had a hype created from people liking it. Having the shoe in hand, it looks dope. What I definitely want to see is the people who take the regular shoes and make them look aged, because I think that is something that would actually look really, really dope on this shoe, especially with just the white and gray colorway. It's definitely going to look dope. But yeah, for me, it's a cop. I'm not too sure what resale prices are going on these right now. Do you know?
Pretty high. They were pretty high before drop. They maintained throughout the drop day. Pretty high, around like 280.
280. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So not too bad. The UNCs were going for like around 4 on drop day. So 280. Yeah, 280 resale. That's like something for me. I'm like kind of in the middle about, you know. But definitely for a retail cop, cannot go bad. And so for me personally, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a cop at retail and a maybe at a sneaker store. Maybe you got to throw in a Supreme sticker or something for me to get them at 280. But what are your thoughts?
I would say a retail cop. Yeah, I would probably cop a retail, but definitely not resale. Just because it's not my type of shoe. The Air Jordan 4 is definitely my favorite shoe. But I wouldn't go for these for resale. Just because it's a little plain for me.
It is a little plain. I know when we talk to some of the people we do business selling sneakers with, it seems like all the sneakers that have recently been selling are sneakers that have a lot of colors on it, you know? But yeah, so definitely cop. Now, for the fun part, you guys get to see all the details we have been talking about in this B-roll. So let's get into that. All right. I think this was pretty good. We had Cody come on camera for the first time. Cameraman Cody, Comment Kicks, Cody from the 702. Nah, but definitely dope. Yeah, if you guys like this kind of setting where we're here in the sneaker room, just chopping up, talking about these sneakers, make sure to let us know, because I think Cody's down with it, right? Yeah.
Bringing stuff to the table, I guarantee you.
Bringing stuff to the table. You got it, businessman. From us to you, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for the bloopers. Just feel free to leave us comments. Check out Cody's Instagram, Comment Kicks. You can check out my Instagram, Jordan in Vegas, and Kicked Out LV. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know your thoughts, and we will see you next time. Peace.
So the Jordan 4 originally dropped. Frick, what did I say? So the Jordan 4 originally dropped in Frick. So the Jordan 4.
This guy doesn't know. He doesn't know. We're gonna go ahead and let Cody go over some of the history.
I got it right here.
Come on, bring it in. We got Cody, also known as Cameraman Cody. But yeah, what he decided to join by with What's up, guys? This is Jordan. Hope you're having beautiful, blessed, and lovely. What's up, guys? This is Jordan.